What the hell is this? A Mansory Bentayga. Forged carbon. Newly imported from Germany. Temporary German plates. Crazy full Mansory interior. Pretty crazy. It's like a Brabus. Full. Parking tickets. That thing is insane. He did went all out. Check this interior. This is not stock. This is not stock. This is not stock Bentley. It's all out Bentayga. This is like a €500,000 car. Holy shit. Forged carbon with a orange decal. This thing is insane. It's like it's not a soft kit. It must be a wide version. Holy shit. I mean, I don't think it's nice, but it's just sick. Look at the brake calipers. The forged carbon looks really nice. This thing is insane. So W12 Mansory with insane roof spoiler. I mean, wow, look at all those carbon. Crazy. Holy shit. I mean, what's the price of that rear spoiler alone? Pretty cool. This interior is sick. Forged carbon with orange accents and orange interior. Mansory. Insane car. I mean, it's kind of a bit of outrageous, I would say. But I still like it because it's funny that somebody's crazy enough to buy it. I mean, look at those air vents. Or what it is. I mean, I don't know if I would go for orange. Orange interior, yes. But not orange details. I mean, look at these air outlets here. And here. Crazy. Anyway, super fun that they bought it, having a Mansory in Sweden. Insane spoiler. Sick car. W12 and D12.